Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial for how to dermaroll your face. I bought my derma roller off Amazon for $13.99 by the brand called Tank Sky. If you want to target acne scars or wrinkles, I would buy the 0.5mm length needle. This is really important. You want to make sure you're penetrating deep enough into the skin to stimulate collagen production. The first thing you want to do is properly sanitize your derma roller before using it to prevent any infections. Get a small cup and pour enough either hydrogen peroxide or rubbing alcohol in it to submerge your derma roller. Allow your derma roller to disinfect for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rinse your derma roller off in hot water and place it back in its case to dry for about 10 minutes. Ensure that you have thoroughly washed your face before you begin to derma roll it. Pick a section of your face to start. In my case, it is my forehead. Roll your derma roller vertically back and forth 10 times on the entire section of your face. Do not force the derma roller into the skin. Mild pressure is definitely sufficient. Roll with the same intensity the entire time. Repeat this horizontally and then diagonally each way. Repeat these steps on each section of your face, back and forth 10 times vertically, horizontally, and diagonally both ways. When I get to my lips, I usually spend more time on them to make them plumper. I will derma roll them from as many angles as I can. Within the first hour after derma rolling your face, any product that you apply to it will penetrate much deeper, so definitely take advantage of this. I like to apply either Retin-A or anti-aging skincare products. After derma rolling, disinfect your derma roller again and allow it to dry before putting it away. If you enjoy videos about derma rolling and derma rolling results, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!